friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's frozen orange chicken in the air fryer. So no need to defrost. Air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. Let's open a bag of frozen orange chicken and take out the sauce packets. And put the chicken in the air fryer basket. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the chicken so it cooks evenly. And let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. And meanwhile, I'm going to microwave the sauce. So it's totally defrosted and hot. So I will put the sauce in a large microwave safe bowl because I'm going to put the chicken after it's cooked and toss it with the sauce. So I'm just going to use this bowl right away. So let's put the sauce from the sauce packets. Now I'm going to go over to the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute or until it's hot and fully defrosted. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this orange chicken. It looks so crispy and delicious, and it's perfectly cooked in the air fryer straight from frozen. So here's the orange sauce from those packets that I melted in the microwave. So now let's take the orange chicken out of the air fryer and put it in the sauce and toss with the sauce. So toss to coat with the orange sauce. Perfect. It looks amazing. I love orange chicken. Looks so good. And now let's try it. So let me just put a few pieces on the plate here. And let me just cut it and show you. So soft and perfectly cooked inside. Let's try it. It's so delicious with a sweet orange sauce, and the chicken is so tender. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen orange chicken. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!